So we are here at the farm in Minnesota, up early in the morning, so that way we can help cut up the beef and turn it into hamburger. So it is really simple what we do. We use the saw to bring the meat through to make it smaller for us to handle and cut apart. And then we're just turning it into hamburger. The grinder you could pick up at a nearby larger store that would handle any meat products, like if someone's cutting up a deer or someone's trying to make some sausage from a pig. But then we just cut it up and make it into hamburger. No special cuts at all, no regular T-bones. If we want something like that, we just do it and we make our own cuts, whatever we desire. None of us are professional in this area or even have taken a class for it. But it's just something that we're like, hey, that part there would really be good on the grill. Then we maybe save that for the grill or the slow cooker, and we use it wherever we can and make it possible, and we just make it easy for ourselves. We all have larger families, so this is one way that we put food on the table to make many different meals. So the kids are all involved with different processes of this. Some are more involved with the cutting of the meat off the bone, others are involved with the grinder portion, and then so others are involved with the packaging of the meat. So they all get to sort of see the whole process in which it takes to go from a living animal, living beef, all the way down to how you get that hamburger on your plate in your house. It allows them to get some camaraderie with their cousins, their grandparents, and just seeing everybody work together. We bring the meat in the one end of the garage, and then it starts right here with the saw, where the saw gets used to cut the meat down so we can handle it better. And then from there it goes to the table where everyone has a cutting board, and the meat is then cut off the bone and the fat's cut off that's not needed. The meat then is taken to the first grinder, where it's going to go through a little larger grind for the hamburger, and after that point then it's going to go through the second grinder, where it has a little bit of a smaller holes in it to make the hamburger even smaller yet. From that point it's going to head down to the other end of the table, where that's where all the packaging will get taken place with the white paper. It is taped up, it is numbered with what package number, and then also the year that this is done, so that way when you look in your freezer you know what year that meat is. Again, this is something easy that many of you could do and that we sure enjoy doing with our family. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Have a great day and we'll see you on the next one.